Hey YouTubers, so today I'm going to be installing a new headlight assembly on my passenger side 2013 Cadillac Escalade. This should be applicable to many other GM vehicles as well though. Watched a couple of videos, some of them suggest that you have to take off the front bumper, and then some others suggest that no, you don't have to do that. It's true you don't have to take off the front bumper to get the light assembly out, but the grill and the bumper are in front of the light assembly and it's very difficult. So the trick that I came up with was just loosening up the upper half of the grill and then pulling it away from the vehicle, and that gives you extra room to work with and to get the light assembly in and out. That just makes all the difference. So anyhow, so you're just going to remove this plastic cover from the top. It just has little plastic tabs in it. Get that out of the way. Then you've got 6 bolts that hold in your upper grill. So you're going to take all of those out and then you're just going to pull it back. Now when you pull it back, you got a little tab here, so when you put it back together, be careful of that little tab. Anyhow, and then it's just a matter of, I put something in here just to hold it back for me, so it allows me to get the light assembly in and out much easier. Literally, these lights are just held in with 3 bolts. One here, and then there's one on the side. The one on the side just slides in. And I'll show you over here on the new one. So you have your 2 bolts here and here, and then this one just slides in. Now when you go to put it in, this is the one that you're gonna have to finagle it a little bit to make sure you're getting it in the right spot, but once you get it in, you're good to go. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a tripod so I can try to demonstrate this for you. And also, when you put that headlight assembly in, you have to lean it back to be able to get it in. So you're going to make sure this is coming in on that side and just lean it back, and then it should all go in. And there you go. So now what I do is I usually get the right side, and then it's a matter of getting this left side in where it goes. And that's it. It's done. So you're going to bolt everything back in, do your fender well, put all this back together, and you're good to go. I hope this helps somebody.